Hello, guess what? We have another. I'm a little too excited. I know. I'm sorry. I started getting my products from these small businesses. I've just been stoked because I have to say, like, the orders were placed, like, I would say, like Sunday night or early Sunday morning, or maybe Saturday night. I can't remember. But I got this stuff like yesterday. Like, seriously. So I'm excited. The shipping was super fast. So for this particular product, this is from Marayam, and this is actually a balm for like skin, for your skin, like if you suffer from like dry skin, things like that. This particular product, I'm opening it now. It comes in this nice packaging. Right? It's not over packaged, which is great too. Oh, it's a cute little thank you card with the emblem there. Alright, we appreciate your support. Thank you. We hope you enjoy your product as much as we enjoy creating it. Right. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Alright, so this particular product is again one of the small businesses that I was looking at, and I was like, okay, I could use this product definitely. And so anytime I can replace a product that I would get from a major retailer or even Amazon with a product that, you know, is from a small business and someone I've actually connected with, I'm totally gonna do that. That's not just for now. I'm gonna do this like indefinitely. So it's packaged very well, especially because this is a glass canister here. All right, very good. All right, or is it glass? I think it's plastic. All right, so this is a Skin Relieving Non-Petroleum Jelly. All right. See it? Very nice packaging. Very nice. Nice label. All right, it's ease of ordering, excellent. I was able to check out very simply. Yeah, so let's see. I have a website on here. Don't have a website on here, so let me see if the website is on anything. All right, so let's see. We'll do a quick Google search. All right, so the IG came up. Marayam. So the ingredients are, you know, beeswax, castrol, good, shea oil, ooh, cocoa butter, good, lanolin. Yes, these are good. All right, very mild smelling product here. Nice, very good. All right. So it's like you could tell there's the beeswax in there. Oh. This is a thicker consistency, which means it's gonna. This is something that you want to use right out of the shower while your skin's still moist. Yeah. All right. With my long nails, I don't like digging and getting anything under my nails. So yeah, this will be good for if you have eczema, any like prone to dry areas, you know, in your skin. Definitely want to check this out. So I'll give a review later and see how this goes. I definitely like the fact that this was all natural and non-toxic. Okay, so this Marayam has no sulfates and parabens in it. So that is one of the main reasons why I got this product. So I'm looking forward to using it. Great packaging, came expeditiously. I did not have to wait 2, 3, 4 weeks for my order, which is great. It's packaged well. So I'm gonna look for that website and make sure that is in the video below. All right, so thank you for sending me my product. I'm looking forward to using it, and I will provide more reviews on your Facebook pages and all of that, because I just want people to know that when you order from Marayam, you're gonna get your stuff on time and it's gonna be presented very well. All right, so thank you for checking out this product review. Until next time, make sure you hit subscribe, click on the bell, select all so that you get notifications anytime I post a new review, and like and share. All right, if you know somebody who can use this product, like and share. All right, and if you can use it, go on and place your order. It's worth it. All right, take care. Bye.